Imagine a sea of stars, each one independent, shining in its own right, yet part of a larger, breathtaking canvas that we call a galaxy. Just as these stars, we as individuals experience life uniquely, yet are inextricably woven into the tapestry of existence. Alan Watts, a prominent figure in translating Eastern wisdom to Western audiences, emphasized the interconnectedness of all things. He believed that we are not isolated beings, separate from the world around us, but elements indistinguishable from every mountain, every planet, every gust of wind or flash of lightning. What if we embraced this perspective? Imagine a world where we recognize that we and the pesky weed growing in a crack on the sidewalk are part of the same universe, striving to express its potential. It's a call for compassion, for if we truly saw ourselves in all things, we would hurt less and love more. Watsi teachings inspire us to understand this profound unity, to awaken within us an underlying purpose that goes beyond